Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're back with another listing. We're at 1020 Dragonfly Avenue in Pickering. So this house is a freehold townhouse. We've got 2 bedrooms, 2.5 washrooms, about 1,275 square feet. Why don't you guys go on in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. Alright guys, now that you've seen the home, let me tell you, this is a completely freehold townhouse. There's no laneway fees, no monthly fees, so it is freehold. Another thing I can tell you is that I'm invested into this neighborhood. I got friends, family that I've also bought into here. Nothing more to say about that. My contact information's on the screen. You know how to get a hold of me. And remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.